What's up, guys? This is my Monday vlog of training, drilling, and then a little grocery haul at the end. So stay tuned and enjoy.
First one because it also shrunk way too much.
I don't know if this is how it's supposed to be because mine is too big.
That was good. Yeah. I feel like the length of that fits you pretty well.
Try it today and then see how you move it.
Yeah.
Because that'll, like, if it's too tight, you'll find out pretty fast. And you can always come in here and change it.
Right?
The rash guard, I still wear it all the time.
I was sad that it didn't fit because it was really cute, but I'm glad.
And it matches this gi. I like
Yeah.
to wear it under this one.
I'm glad it's getting good use now.
Show my YouTube. Yeah. People have been commenting stuff, and I'm like, I don't feel confident enough to explain a technique like that.
Oh, that one was good. I felt it a lot on that
I went deeper.
I liked it.
So let's see how long I can. I will. Seriously? Did they point to your dad or something? No. Way out of it? Oh, sorry.
Only side control if you're a white belt with left and right. Yeah, separate. Like over and then fucked up that. I know how to do some weird like stuff.
They're like, my God,
I was trying to figure out which, like, but I was like,
That was fun.
Two classes today, drilling, an extra rule after. Get it?
Yeah.
Extra poke.
Yeah. Like progressive car insurance.
this is like easy.
The progressive is life.
$3,000 you're saving.
Not walker.
You're like, yes, I quit. I quit Jiu Jitsu. I mean, come on. Oh, this is.
Wait, is it in?
You can't say that to me.
We got that on camera.
You're only gonna get better from
Okay, Dr. Richard over here just emptied this fluid in my knee. This is how much fluid was in my knee. That was all in my knee, in the back of
I'm
it.
telling you that, but the feeling sensation, even with the 50-50, where
Yeah.
I
You gotta put it in your food.
Feel better. Ew!
Ramen today, boys.
I feel like I can go run 5 miles now.
Yeah, that's probably the numbing medicine.
Probably. Okay, I'm home from training. I stopped at the store to get some groceries, and I want to show y'all my little grocery haul because I'm really excited about the meals I'm going to make this week. I'm feeling really good about it, and they actually are tasting so much better than what I was eating, and they're more like portioned out. So, and this is like also not expensive at all. So I fast until 3 p.m. and then what I do is, and I'm gonna show the clip of what I had earlier before training. I started getting these instead of like the regular beef. This is just the Wagyu beef patties. Because it's like the patty, I sear it on the, what is that thing called? Cast iron pan. I sear it with butter or ghee. I actually just ended up getting the ghee. at the store, and it tastes so good. And then I have avocado next to it and an egg, like over easy egg. And then I do a banana with cinnamon on top and raw honey. It is so good. The honey gives you energy and it's so good for you. So just like cinnamon and honey on top drizzled, it's gonna feel like dessert, honestly. And then that's the one meal that I'm gonna eat every day this week. And then I go train and then I don't eat after. I also, if I'm like absolutely starving, I am obsessed with making watermelon slushies. So it's like cut up the watermelon, freeze it, and then do lime juice and mint blended together with 1 cup of water. So I got this whole watermelon for $4, and that's gonna last me probably like a whole week of watermelon slushies. And that's like literally a meal replacement because it's adding all your hydration back and filling you up, replenishing you. So yeah, that is where I'm at with my meal prepping. I actually have chicken in my fridge, so I have to make that tomorrow. But I definitely prefer red meat over chicken, and I could eat red meat every single day. Don't worry about cholesterol. I think that if you're eating red meat every single day with eggs and avocados and like honey and bananas, you're thriving. Like today I had so much energy at training, and that's the other thing. I thought because I'm cutting I wasn't gonna have as much energy today when I was rolling, but that one meal I timed it perfectly. Since I usually train at later in the night, I ate the one meal at 3:30, so it was like perfect timing for hardcore training. I had all the energy I needed. So yeah, that's everything. Honestly, like, it's not expensive. You can save money eating this way and you're gonna feel your best. I think also red meat is very good for women especially. So that's everything. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I got some really good rounds in. I've been going harder in my training and definitely doing like a faster pace. So thanks for watching. Comment below what you think. Hit the like and subscribe button for more content. I'll catch y'all later.